Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about Leland cypress. These are big, beautiful trees that are suffering from a couple of fungal infections that cause cankers or sunken tissues that eventually decay. This fungus is spread by rain splash or irrigation splash. I'm trying to get over this wire here without falling on the ground. My first video, that would be embarrassing. Anyway, this fungus is highly infective, and so reducing its ability to move through the canopy is one form of treatment. There are no antifungals, no fungicides known to date to attack this fungus, which causes some very